Good morning, everyone. First, I would like to thank you all for attending this class and today's presentation. Before, let me introduce myself. My name is Omi Pimose. Okay, we come to chapter 1, Introduction. This chapter deals with the introduction of the research. It covers background, research problem, research objective, and benefit of research. The first, background. Most students in Indonesia have difficult understanding English text. Although they have studied English since they were in elementary school, there are several factors that affect student reading comprehension ability. Ruston in the year 2006 say that these factors can be categorized into two main factors. First, factors from outside students are related to teaching technique, material, and media, while the second factor from the student themselves is related to vocabulary, interests, and reading strategy. Based on the factors that come from students, there are three barriers to reading comprehension. The first is related to vocabulary mastery. The limitation of vocabulary items will be the main problem of text message digging. The second is student interest. This factor is closely related to student motivation. When reading activities cannot capture student interest, they may have low motivation to undergo the reading process. The last affecting the students is their ability to apply reading strategies. They do not use reading strategy effectively. They may know some reading strategies to get information from the text. Sometimes they stop reading and chat with their friends. In addition, they perform other activities while reading the text, such as playing with a pen, ruler, or eraser. When the teacher starts discussing the text, the student did not give any response. Teacher need to repeat the instruction because some of them remain silent and don't pay attention to their teacher. When the teacher called on some students to respond to the teacher question, they were surprised and read the text again. Some of them give the wrong answer. Moreover, students are struggle with the ability to implement their reading strategies now. As previously discussed, it seems that students do not use reading strategies effectively. They prefer to use Google Translate to translate text and understand it in their native language. As a result, they are unable to use their reading strategy. They can skim, but they do not use it in their daily reading activities. They do not even know when they should use this strategy to aid their understanding. Apart from student factors, teaching technique have also become a problem that affects student reading comprehension at SMTK Mardi Wacana a lot. It seems that the teacher does not carry out effective learning in the learning process in the classroom. In the presentation stage, the teacher gives limited exploration of the text. The teacher only asks some questions about the type of text without exploring topic. Then at the practice stage, students were asked to read and text. The teacher does not guide them in understanding the text. The process with a discussion session where the teacher asks some students to answer questions. Reading strategy that use background knowledge and schemes to help students understand the text are called visualization strategy. This strategy was proposed by Goldfish and Harvey in the year 2000, based on Nelson in the year 2005. Implementation of the visualization strategy in class. This strategy can some problem that is found at SMTK Mardi Wacana Alor. Implementation visualization strategy in teaching can improve student vocabulary mastery. In addition, this strategy can make students actively involved in reading the text. This strategy also the teacher to check student understanding and correct any misunderstanding they may have. Considering the benefit of a visualization strategy, the research applies a visualization strategy as proposed by Goldfish and Harvey in the year 2000 to improve student reading comprehension in class 10 SMTK Mardi Wacana Alor. Based on the explanation of previous study, the research that I will do will be based on the understanding that reading is difficult, and I plan to research on how to apply visualization actively to improve student reading skill actively. Therefore, this research will be titled Visualizing Activity to Promote Active Reading of the Student in SMTK Mardi Wacana Alor. Next research problem: how visualizing activity can promote active reading for students in SMTK Mardi Wacana Alor. Next research objective: based on the formulation of the problem above, the research objective is to improve reading active using the visualization of students at SMTK Mardi Wacana Alor. The last benefit of research. The benefits of research are described as follows. The research can enrich the literature about the development of teaching reading. Hopefully, the research will be beneficial for students to develop their reading ability using visualization strategy independent in their daily life. This research can motivate similar research to be developed. Okay, thank you very much for your attention and active participation during this presentation.